AI is everywhere. It is the most popular topic in our reality today. But how well do we truly understand it? As a tester, I have noticed a common pattern. People treat AI like a person behind the screen, interacting with greetings, polite phrases like "thank you," "would you be so kind, please?" But does this actually help achieve the perfect result? Behind the scenes, there is no magic. It's math, strict rules, prediction models, self-attention mechanism, all operating within a context window and relying on the information you provide. And what about our attempts to build relationship with the future Skynet? Do they help? Or do they lead us to hallucinations? That's why I'm inviting you to my workshop. Don't say hello to LLM. Together, we'll dive deeper into the system under test, gaining clarity on how LLMs work and understanding the mechanics. I'm Maryna Didkovska, Head of Testing Practice at EPAM Europe. Based on our experience testing AI-infused applications, we have learned how to work effectively with this complex system. In this workshop, we'll explore how context shapes responses, how LLMs work, how to limit results to relevant domains. Join me at Don't Say Hello to LLM and let's build a better understanding of the system we test.